What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the Finesse God, Iggy Giggity J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all. Y'all clearly see, or may not be able to see, another unboxing. This one's gonna be short for two reasons. One, it's only one box. Second, I bit the shit out of my tongue, and this shit hurt. Like, my shit is bruised. So, like, first of all, fuck Wrigley's gum. This shit is raggedy than a bitch. So yeah, we gonna get right into this shit. But I just had to say that shit. My tongue hurts like shit. But make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button for me. I just got off work. I am tired as fuck. Today was a semi-long day, so we gonna hop right into this. So this box is coming from Goat. Shout out to Savage Beauty. She copped these for me. I've been wanting a pair of these for a while now, and it's just, they always fucking sell out, and I don't feel like paying resale on this shit. So shouts out to her. This wouldn't be possible without her, so go to her channel, show her some love and appreciation. Don't show her too much though, nigga. She in a relationship. So, but nah, so today we gonna be pulling out, shit, if I can pull it out. I hate Goat in they tight ass boxes. Like, I'm ripping the shit out of the box to get the shoe out. Sorry, dude. Damn. So today we got a pair of the New Balance. You wanna sniff the New Balance? You like the New Balance? Nah, man. Today we got a pair of New Balances, and off rip, you should know by me saying it always fucking sells out. So let's go ahead and get straight into this. Like I said, it's gonna be rather quick because I only got one fucking box. I ain't been ordering shit because I gotta chill out. Plus, I'm trying to get some Yeezys. So let's go ahead and experience this together. Lily, you wanna see? Look. Look, Lily. Look. But boppity boppity ba. Y'all probably can't see. Y'all get white glasses like shit. But there they is there. Just the green New Balance 550 in the green colorway. Yo, these shits is clean. This material's kind of trash, but these clean. These ain't the I don't know how to say the name, but the Amory, Leon, whatever. I said the Amories. I forgot the name of the shit, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It ain't the like hype pair. It's just the normal pair. Just because I don't need a big name on the shit for me to like the damn shoe. So I just went ahead and I copped these Jones. As y'all know, I've been copping, well, I didn't cop them. I've been copping hella New Balances, and this is, I wouldn't call these undiscovered hype because a lot of people know about this shit. But it's some shit a lot of people probably not checking for. Well, I can't even say that. Just the normal pair they probably not checking for. Of course, everything sells out. It's fucking ridiculous. Kind of hate the USA because of that shit. Because everything fucking sells out. They create a huge demand for shit that motherfuckers don't even be wanting. And because they hype it up so much that it sells out, it's supply and demand. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just look it up. I don't feel like explaining supply and demand, but y'all motherfuckers create a huge demand for a limited supply of any fucking thing. Y'all niggas are ridiculous. I can't even get my hands on a fucking piece. Anyway, I think these are clean as fuck. I will be doing a full on feet review as always. So be on the lookout for that. I have more vids dropping. I want to drop this one vid, but I'm super unsure about it. I'm not sure. I might drop it. I might not. I don't know. Like, I just got it in the vault, so I don't know if it'll ever get released or whatever. So I'm not sure. But I want to, but I'm not 100% sure how it'll go over. So I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. Booby, I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle of talking.
A few moments later.
But alright, y'all. I guess that's my time. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I know this is short. Be on the lookout for all the other vids. I got one that I'm making tomorrow. I don't know if I'm vlogging or what, but I am making another video tomorrow, and I'm kind of excited about it. If you watch my Reebok video, I'm finally doing that video that I talked about. And yeah, I like to go off on tangents, so I'm gonna just end this shit right here. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Like I said, make sure you stick around for all the other content. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, join the God Squad, all that good shit, man. And I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. I'll say bye.